Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's AK here, and today it's going to be another cooking session. I'm attempting to make something that's entirely my own, or at least I think it is, and I'm calling it the Flaming Mochi. Now what mochi is, it's an Asian dessert made with rice flour and bean paste. I'm going to try something a little different. So you remember my hot sauce, homemade hot sauce, and cumin, paprika. Oh, of course there's sugar and whoa, salt. I should close my salt shaker. And of course, cooking oil. I don't know how I'm gonna make this yet, but I'll figure it out as we go along. So I've already added here sugar and rice flour. I'm gonna add hot water and make it into batter. It's really hot water. Okay, so after you mix it up, you cook it inside a microwave for a couple of minutes. It becomes this translucent, nice blob that you can easily shape. So as you can see, shaping it is really hard, and it's super sticky. So it wouldn't be a good idea to use a roller. Anyways, I'm gonna make the first one filling with just normal red bean paste. So it's gonna be a normal-ish mochi. Okay, so here it is, my first mochi. It looks terrible, but at least I sort of got all the steps right. The rice flour turns out fine. It looks sickening, but it should taste okay. So here goes. Yeah, this is actually really good. The rice flour is fully cooked, perfectly chewy, exactly like the stuff you find in supermarkets. Aside from the shape, it's a complete success. So instead of adding red bean paste like a normal human being, I've added my homemade hot sauce as its filling, and then I'm gonna deep fry it, or maybe just gently fry it, and I'll see what happens from this point on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's still the pan is still hot, so I'm gonna be adding the extra last steps ingredients, a touch of paprika, and most importantly, cumin. Let's see how this goes. Might be disastrous, might be unbelievably wonderful. Alright, here goes nothing. Deep fried, well, gently fried mochi with hot sauce on the outside and the inside. Flaming mochi. Crispy on the outside. Hint of paprika. Nice touch on the cumin. Soft and chewy on the inside. It is surprisingly good. I thought it was going to be disastrous. Now, one extra detail I could do is add a little more salt as I am frying it, so it gives it more taste. Because right now the hot sauce just overtakes everything. Whew, not bad. I call this a complete success, so I'm gonna be making a whole batch of those for Thursday. See you next time, ladies and gents. AK signing out.